Venezuelan President Nicolás Maduro, openly handcuffed, was escorted from an armored vehicle by U.S. law enforcement officers and en route by helicopter to a federal court in New York for an arraignment hearing. The transfer, captured on live news video, showed Maduro exiting a black SUV near a fenced-in area with snow on the ground, as DEA and HSI federal agents in tactical gear surrounded him, with the armed officers escorting him to the helicopter. Maduro and his wife Cilia Flores were transferred under heavy guard to the court, 2 days after their illegal kidnapping by Trump's special forces in Caracas on Saturday, in what Venezuela said was a matter for the U.S. to explain what the basis for Trump's actions in Venezuela is. Open sources confirmed online that Maduro is scheduled to appear in court today before U.S. District Judge Alvin K. Hellerstein on January 5, 2026. Reports continue to grow that Maduro is scheduled to appear in court on drug trafficking and corruption charges, something Venezuela has denied, arguing that there is no evidence against Maduro, and saying the U.S. is acting in the interests of oil. Even simply put, this demonstrates the worldwide reaction that has strongly condemned the Trump administration's actions against foreign leaders, its blatant interference in the future of sovereign nations. According to the latest information, Maduro's entire security detail, numbering about 60 personnel, consisting of roughly equal numbers of Venezuelan and Cuban troops, was killed in the illegal U.S. raid on Nicolás Maduro's residence. Official figures indicate that 32 Cubans, who had been involved in protecting the president and his ministers since the early 2000s at the request of the Venezuelan government, were killed. Eliminating or killing the presidential security detail of a sovereign nation, which has never previously attacked the U.S. in any way, is indeed unprecedented, and a violation of all established rules of conduct between nations. Today's superpowers are doing literally whatever they want. This has completely erased the existence of international law, said Slovak Prime Minister Robert Fico, following the U.S. action.
Ak je krajina veľká a mocná, nespráva sa ani demokraticky, ani spravodlivo. A keď sa chce správať demokraticky a spravodlivo, už nie je ani veľká, ani silná. Veľmoci si dnes robia doslova čo chcú. Úplne vymazali existenciu medzinárodného práva a nevyhnutnosť jeho dodržiavania. OSN je bohužiaľ na kolenách a Bezpečnostná rada OSN bez reformy a dôsledného posilnenia jej právomocí je úplne bezzubá.